So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yoker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can open Task Manager in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So the very first way is through keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key on your keyboard. And once you do this, this will open Task Manager on a Windows PC. The next method is through Power User menu. Simply right click on the start icon and this will open this menu. Here click on Task Manager and this will open Task Manager on a PC through Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete shortcut. Simply press Ctrl, Alt and Delete key together on your keyboard. Now here click on Task Manager and this will open Task Manager on a Windows PC. Next, you can also open Task Manager through Start menu. Simply click on the Start icon. Now here type Task Manager. Press Enter to open it and this will launch Task Manager. The next method is through Run command. Simply press Windows plus R key on a keyboard. This will open Run dialog box. Here type task mgr. Press Enter and this will open Task Manager on a Windows PC. So this way I can open Task Manager in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.